We have already been through the concept of section formula for the point x1, y1, or we can say for the coordinates that we have already known the section formula. Now in this session we will understand what is the section formula for vectors. So I can draw, this is a line that you can see, there's a position, or we can say there's a origin that you can see, there's a vector a that we can see here, okay, and there's a vector b that you can see here. Now there's a vector c which is going like this, and this vector c is dividing this vector that you can form with the help of a vector and b vector, that is given as ab vector in the ratio 2:1, or we can say m:1. That will be the better thing. And here you will write this point as AB, we had already represented, and this point as C. Now I can also write the AC vector and CB vector can be written as m/n ratio. This is the thing that you can write. And AC vector can be written as C vector minus of A vector. And BC vector can be written as B vector minus of C vector, that is equal to m/n. Now if you will do the cross multiplication, you will get the value as NC vector minus of NA vector, that is equal to MB vector minus of MC vector. I will take everything on one side, you will write as NC vector plus MC vector, that is equal to MB vector plus NA vector. And if I want to find the value of C vector, I will write as MB vector plus NA vector, and in denominator you will write as M plus N. So the C vector can be written as MB vector plus NA vector upon M plus